Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV and I have two more iPhones to unbox. The iPhone XS in gold and the iPhone XS Max in gold as well. And as usual, I have the accessory kit that I've put together here. This one is the red themed kit. I just unboxed the space gray iPhone XS with the dark kit. So if you want to check that out, the link's in the description. But let's get to it and unbox these two iPhones. Alright, so two phones here. We have the iPhone XS on the right and the iPhone XS Max on the left. Now you'll see the wallpapers are slightly different between the two. Both of these are the gold models. Now depending on which iPhone you purchase, you'll see the wallpaper that corresponds with that color. So Space Gray has the green planet, the golds have sort of the orange and purple, silver will have its own as well. Just taking a look around the box, we'll look at the iPhone XS Max. They're pretty much the same. You'll have the iPhone branding on both of the sides in gold, whatever color you choose. The branding would be in that color. Same with the Apple logo on both the top and the bottom. Underneath, you're going to see the specifications. Both models I purchased are the 64 gigabyte versions, and the reason is because I have this right here. I talked about it a little bit in the other unboxing. Alright, so let's peel away the plastic here. We'll do the XS Max first. And then the XS. Very nice. So I'm going to unbox the XS Max first. So we'll put that to the side for now. That sound is amazing. I'll never get tired of that. All right, so we have the Designed by Apple in California paperwork. Once again, this will give you your manual in 2 different languages. So if you are new to the iPhone X series, might be a good idea to read it. SIM card ejection tool. Everybody seems to lose this. It's right there. And the Apple stickers. I'm going to compare these, see if they're a little bit bigger than the iPhone XS stickers. Underneath is the gold phone. I'm really excited for this color, and wow, that's all I can say. Oh, that's a nice color on the back. That is a beautiful color. The sides are really where you're going to see that gold. Let's peel this away now too. All right, and there it is, the iPhone XS Max. And you know what? It doesn't feel too big. I thought this was going to feel really massive, but it doesn't. It feels pretty good in the hand. Anyway, let's go back and check out what else is in the box here. So the AirPods, which don't come with the adapter anymore. I was surprised to see that gone. And actually, I think when I unboxed the iPhone X, it was the other way around. I don't remember. They don't give you the fast charge, even in the Max version. They should have sent out those fast charge. Lastly is the lightning cable, standard. And that is it for the iPhone XS Max unboxing. Next, the iPhone XS in gold. Alright, that sound again, so nice. Manuals, same thing as the iPhone XS Max. We've got the iPhone XS here, and there it is, the more familiar. The gold is even around the camera. So let's pull the plastic off. And there it is. Alright, we'll put that to the side. Pretty much the same thing as what I'm expecting here. You get your headphones without the adapter, your 5-volt wall charger, and your lightning cable. So I won't go into that any further. Let's take a look at the two side by side. And what you're going to notice right off the bat is how nice this gold actually looks. But this is based on the light that's hitting it. As you can see right here, with the natural light hitting these phones, you're getting this really premium, expensive, pure gold looking color. But if you dim down the lights, you'll end up with this creamy color that sometimes looks like it has a hint of pink in it. Okay, so let's boot up the two devices. I'm going to try to start them at the same time. All right, so the iPhone XS booted pretty quick. The iPhone XS Max, I guess, was a little bit delayed, but the process of setting it up is pretty easy. Same thing on the XS Max. So for Face ID, I want to try to do it for both. Okay, we'll tap continue. Get started. Now I'll be posting a video on how to use the cool features of the iPhone, so be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to see first in the comments. All right. Surprisingly, wasn't hard at all. Set up a password. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I'm always using the secure all-zero password. At this point, you can choose to restore your iPhone from one of the backups or just set it up as a new phone. That's what we're gonna do. And then you can put in your Apple ID if you want. I usually just leave this for later. Set up later in settings. Agree to both. Disabling location. I'm just doing this to speed things up. Now the True Tone display, you can see how that'll look. So on the right, we have it off. Now on the iPhone XS Max, you need to choose a zoom. So tap choose view. You can see standard and zoomed how it'll look. It's not much of a difference, but it might be an improvement for some. I'm gonna go with the standard view. So let's go back to standard and next. So you can see the welcome to iPhone fits on one line on the XS Max. And there we go. We have our new phones booted up. Now, depending on the phone that you purchase, the wallpaper that they install will be different. You can see the space gray version of the iPhone XS has the green wallpaper. These wallpapers can be changed easily. Just open up the settings and then go to the wallpaper section and you'll be able to change it to whichever wallpaper you want. So those are the three new ones. If we want to change it to the green here, we can do so. Set it. I personally like the green. The green one I think looks really nice, really sharp. Now let's open up the camera. Let's take a look at both, see if there's any difference. The portrait mode on both is the big change. Continue, continue. Yeah, it's just nice to have the larger screen just in general. Moving on to accessories, we're going to start with protection. And all the accessories I feature here today, there'll be links in the description so you can pick them up for yourself. First off, we have cleaning supplies here. These phones are fingerprint magnets, so this one has a solution as well as a cleaning cloth. This is a simple glasses cleaning kit. And then we have the screen protector, which you're going to want to get as they are fully glass. So this one here is top glass. It's tempered glass as well. I'm not going to get into it too much. If you want more details on tempered glass, go and check out the iPhone XS unboxing that I did earlier for Space Gray. As for cases, this is the one I picked up. It's a rugged case in red, and I really like how it looks. It's 2 layers of protection, so you have hard plastic on the outside, and then it has rubber on the inside. Also, the corners are reinforced with rubber. Where the camera is, there's even a second layer of plastic there. So it says inside that it's been tested and that it's military grade. So let's see how it fits the iPhone XS Max. Okay, so it fits in really snug and it doesn't add too much weight. It has a really nice design. I love the red, and the only downfall with this is you're losing all the color of the gold, but if you're going for red, this is really going to pop. Next up is wireless headphones, and I chose the Noontech Zorro 2s for this. They look really nice with the black and red finish. They also have silver accents on the side. All the buttons you need are on the ear cups, volume up and down. They can even fold away, so if you want to take them with you. They come with a carrying case as well as a 3.5mm headphone wire, so you can go wired if you want. These are great for gaming, listening to music, movies. The ear cups are super soft and really comfortable, and I've been using these for years now, but I really like these headphones, and the sound quality is great. Tying in with sound is a good wireless Bluetooth speaker, and these Cans 808 are great. The quality of the speaker itself is very premium, metal finishes all around, including up top, very small and compact. These have actually been around for a very long time. I think I first got this one 5 years ago, and then I purchased 2 or 3 more in different colors. And that's the great thing about them. You can purchase multiple in different colors. So if you want to go with a blue theme, you can. But these ones right here work really well with our red theme accessory pack. Next up is 2 of the smallest accessories in our kit here. First, we have a simple 12-volt adapter for your car, so that way you can charge your phone using your lightning cable. Most cars these days have USB, but just in case, it's always good to have one of these. And this one's in red, so it ties in with our accessory pack really well. The Tile here is a really cool device, and I have a bunch of them, and it's pretty much like a key finder, except you can find anything and put these anywhere and use an app on your phone to find it. For example, on my trip, I used it in my luggage, and I always use it for finding my phone. Even if your phone is on silent, like this one is right here, if you double press on the button, it'll ring, and that way you'll know where your phone is. There's GPS built in, there's a community that surrounds it, so if somebody actually steals your things, other members who have the Tile can actually track it down if that person goes in their area. So it's really cool. Look into it if you're interested. I have a bunch of them myself, and it's really useful. I find myself using it at least a few times a week. The last accessory we're going to take a look at is this little mini tripod here, and I figured these phones would be perfect to feature this tripod because of that new stereo microphone. So if you are a videographer or you vlog or you take a lot of videos, having a little tripod like this to take really cool time lapse, even using it in selfie mode or taking video is going to be a huge benefit to you. The legs are very flexible, you can bend them in and out, you can tie them around trees, and it's very sturdy. Once again, coming in that red color, it ties into our accessory kit very well. So that is it for the red themed accessory kit in the unboxing of the iPhone XS and XS Max. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box. Also, let me know what videos you want to see. I'm going to be posting tons of iPhone videos in the coming weeks. And also, if you want to check out the dark theme accessory kit with the unboxing of the space gray iPhone XS, the link is in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment, let me know, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.